everyone, welcome back to 汉字说故事 The story of Chinese character. Today, we are going to learn ghost, 鬼 In currently ghost month in Chinese culture, which is the 7th month of the lunar calendar.In Taiwan, there's a story that during this month, ghosts are released from the gate of the underworld. So, family need to prepare a full table of food for the ghosts to eat. In the picture, you can see that incense sticks are placed in the food. This means that the food with incense is especially for the ghost. Now, how did the character 鬼 ghost come about? In ancient times, people believed that when a person died, their soul continued to exist. They thought that a ghost was what a person became after death. If you look at the picture, it initially shows a soul, a human body with scary face, a human body. This is oracle bone script. Then it evolved to this. This is bronze script. As the character evolved, an element was added to the right side, which is 丝. The scary face still exists. Body. This actually is taken from the word 私 means selfish, implying the ghost sinister and selfish nature. But some people also say that it represents the sound a ghost makes. Nowadays, we write ghost like this. We say 鬼 Nowadays, we often use the word 鬼 in phrases like 鬼屋 haunted house, 有鬼 there's a ghost, and 鬼故事 ghost stories. 鬼屋鬼故事有鬼 It's very easy, right? Don't forget to practice. Bye bye.